Severe thunderstorm watch. It just issued.
Severe storms may occur through the overnight hours. It is possible that a few separate areas of severe storms develop
Come
during
on.
this time frame. Damaging winds and large hail are possible with an
Come
isolated tornado
on.
threat for the southern half of the area.
Tone it.
Locally heavy rainfall may also cause minor
What's
flooding.
wrong with this radio? Here we go! Yes, here we go! Here we go!
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 85, effective until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 85 has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Tuscaloosa, and Walker.
There you go.
The